Hello everyone and welcome back to my workshop. I've been doing more work on the Butler Shaper, which I've got to take apart to repair the length of stroke adjust. Yesterday a friend came around and he knocked out the pins that were actually holding the lead screw for the ram. So this morning I got busy and I was able to remove the lead screw. Basically it screwed out, which was very good. And now I'm in the position of being able to remove the ram from the lead screw. Once that's removed, I'll show you some of the things which are not quite what I expected, but we'll do that in a minute. Now here are the parts that we took out of the shaper yesterday. The large one with the square head on the top is the adjust for the length of stroke. That just punched straight out. We've got a bevel gear, which is a bit more challenging to get out. And we've got the block which holds the lead screw on the end. And over here we have the lead screw, which is going to need a fair bit of cleaning up. And also the grip strips, which we took out a while ago. Now here is the Butler 18-inch crank shaper with the ram ready for removing, and we're going to be using the one-ton mobile gantry to lift this off and place it safely on the ground. And then we'll have a look at the ways and some things that were surprising and not particularly welcome. And we'll put it on some blocks on the ground and then we'll be able to start working on it. So now you can see that the ram has been removed, and looking at the underside of the ram you can see corresponding scoring. So I always wanted to do a bit of metal scraping, and this is the perfect opportunity for it. So next thing I'll be doing is cleaning everything up. Some things really do need cleaning, particularly the lead screw. And looking inside the machine, you can see that there's a lot of very old grease on the top of the rocking arm. And the next major piece of work to do here will be to remove the rocking arm from the milling machine as well. And that'll give me access to the ball gear so that I can do the fix for the length of stroke adjust. So a lot of work to do, maybe a relatively simple fix. So that's it for now. I'll bring you back when I've got some more stuff, and thank you very much for watching.